Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can share your Threads profile to your Instagram story. So let's start with the video. First of all, open Threads. Then go to your profile and then click on Share Profile option. And from here, you can share to any other social media to share on Instagram story. Copy the link given above and then open Instagram. You can directly go to Instagram by clicking on Instagram icon given above. Now click on plus icon and go to story and add anything from your gallery. Now go to sticker and then click on link. Now paste the link you have copied, and you can also give a name to your link and then click on done. Now click on your story to share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.